This is the Minecraft Bedrock Modded Launcher. Now you might be wondering, what is this thing? Today I'm going to be telling you just that. I'm going to be showing you how to download it and what it is, and how to use it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into it. So before I show you how to use it, obviously I have to show you how to download it. So to download the Minecraft Bedrock Modded Launcher, the first thing you want to do is open up a browser. And I will leave the link in the description below, but what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website called Immortals Creations under Google Sites, and it'll come up with this. And basically this is my new website that's going to showcase stuff that I have sent out to the public. And there's already some stuff here, but we're not going to focus on those right now. We're going to focus on the Bedrock Modded Launcher, also known as the Bedrock Custom Launcher. And here you'll see the page for it. You'll go to GitHub Releases. Now the link currently doesn't work right now, but I will eventually fix that. I do have a link for it, I just have to put it in. I'll also leave a link to this too, but this is the GitHub page. And from here, you'll go to releases or get the latest release. And here you'll see what's in the release. All you have to do as of version 0.5.8, you have to download this zip folder. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the BML zip. So once you download it, it should be in your downloads folder. You'll just go ahead and right click it and go ahead and click extract all. And it should pop up with this thing. And what you're going to do is you're just going to hit extract. And it should extract the folder. You're going to open the folder. You're going to go to BML 0.5.8. Okay. It's gone for some reason. Okay, so I found a little error. For some reason, all of it is gone. I'm not exactly sure why. Once I fix that, this is what you should see. All you really need to focus on is the Bedrock Modded Launcher exe. And there's also a Bedrock Modded Launcher link for you. And all you have to do is drag this out onto your desktop. And there's also a whole bunch of stuff over here that I'll show you in a little bit. So let's start off by opening the app. You can already see that this is a very simple UI, pretty straightforward. What you want to do is basically it's asking you, how would you like to run Minecraft Bedrock? Would you like to run it with clients or without clients? And you'll choose one. Depending on if you have this issue or not, this will pop up. It's basically saying that the Minecraft exe couldn't be found, and all you have to do is just click continue to open the launcher. It's still not as quick. Obviously, it's not as quick to open from the launcher. It still kind of works. And as you can see, it also opened the client here. So now let's move on to this right here, manage mods. If we go ahead and click on that, another thing will open. And this is where you will add/remove clients. So what you'll go ahead and do is you'll type in a name, you'll find the exe location of that client, and then you'll go down here. If you're trying to add a client, leave that unchecked. If you're trying to remove a client, then you'll check that. And once you're done, you just click submit. So let's say I want to remove my current client, which is Odorso. I'm going to type in the exact name. It shows it here. It's going to show like your list of all of your names. So for me, Odorso, all lowercase. You're going to find the file location, open the exe. It's going to put it here. Click this check. It is removing it. And all you're going to do is click submit. So you'll just click submit. Boom. Now if I go back to manage mods, it's no longer there. And if you want to add it back again, you just type in whatever name, make sure this is unchecked, click submit, go back to manage mods, and now it's there. So now on to the last thing in this main UI, which is the settings. As you can see, it's currently under beta. This is because this is in dark mode. When you first start off, it will not be in dark mode. It will actually look like this. And all you have to do, obviously, go to settings, check dark mode, and go up here and click apply changes. This will restart the app and apply dark mode to it. And that's it. It's like really simple, really easy to use. So now let me show you a little customization tricks. So if we go back to our file explorer, there's a few main things that we need to focus on. We have mods.txt, app data, app data, CS, and resources. Let's start with mods txt. So if we open that up, here is the list of all of your mods. And you'll see how it's formatted. So you'll have the name, // and then the path, and then it's going to have this little semicolon, or whatever it's called. And you can actually add mods through this as well if you wanted to. I can go through here, I can copy this, delete it, save the file with Control-S, close this up, close up this, open this up again, manage mods, it's no longer there. And then all I have to do is just Control-V, place it back in, Control-S, reopen, manage mods, it's there again. You can pretty much manage the mods from here if you wanted. And that's pretty much the mods txt folder. So now let's focus on app data. So you'll see here in app data, there's like 2 things here. The button sound is a feature that I wanted to try, but I don't think I'm gonna add it unless you guys really want me to. But what you'll focus on is dark mode. So currently it's true. If I set this to false and I save and I just go ahead and move these, I open it up, now it's like this. So you can also change the UI type from here as well. So true, Control-S. And now it should be dark mode again. Yep. And then app data CS, this is really just code that was in the thing. So that'll probably go away at some point. But let's go to resources. So here is where you can actually change like the UI. So darken this, you don't really have to mess with. That only shows up when you click one of these 2 buttons and it brings you to this screen where it has the darker background. So if you wanted to change that, you can. But here is the main UI stuff. So you have dark mode and light mode. And here you can see we have main background R. The R is for remastered because it used to look like this, but then I got an idea and made it look a little more fancier. So main background remastered, second background 2, second background 1. Yeah, and this also applies to dark mode. You have main background remastered, second background 1, second background 2. And if you ever wanted to change stuff, you can open like a photo editor, something like Photopea here, for example, and you can go new project, set the width, height to whatever this is, 695 by 411, and then create your own custom UI for your Bedrock Modded Launcher. So yeah, that's pretty much the Minecraft Bedrock Modded Launcher. If you guys want to see more of the Minecraft Bedrock Modded Launcher, leave a like down below. I'm thinking about redoing the name as well, so if you guys want to give suggestions on that, you can. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.